Hi everyone. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite extensions, which is Tampermonkey. And Tampermonkey is a Google Chrome extension that helps you to be able to add different things to your browser, whether it's a button to copy and paste something or just a different way to alter different things that are happening in your browser. And so one of the things for systems training that's super helpful is you could create a Tampermonkey script that will allow you to replace images or text or different sensitive data that would go on in a system. So if you don't have access to a test environment in a system and you need dummy data or just a way to replace sensitive data, Tampermonkey is a great way to be able to do that. And you can create or download scripts to help you do that. So today I'm going to show you a image replacer script, and then I'll show you a text replacer script. So Tampermonkey is downloaded by over 10 million users, I guess, and it's gotten tons of ratings. You can come check it out here, and there's lots of different places you can go and download Tampermonkey scripts. So for an image replacer script, what I'm going to show you just very briefly is me replacing this image of myself on my website. And I've got this picture of a kitten here, and I'm going to go ahead and replace myself with a picture of a kitten. So I have this script here, and there's two places that you're going to edit. One is this first between the quotes here, which is the picture that you're trying to replace. And then two, what you want to replace that picture with. So I've already gone ahead and copied the URL for the image of the kitten. And then my image here, when I right click and just copy image address, I'll be able to pop that right into the script. So I go ahead and do that. I can go to File and Save. And then after about a second and a half, this should change my picture to a kitten. So that's it. It's pretty easy, simple hack that you can do if you need to replace images in a web browser-based system. So in this next one, I'm going to show you how to replace words and text that happens on your browser. So with the Tampermonkey script, you can either create or download a script that will allow you to change words or text in a browser. So this is super helpful for systems training where it's browser-based and you want to just replace maybe sensitive data, employee data, those types of things. So if you're going to go ahead and do screen recordings, you don't have to go through and edit every single piece of data that's in there. So same thing I'm going to show you on my site here. I have the word Pennsylvania. You can see I have the kitten here that I replaced with my image with this kitten, but I have the word Pennsylvania here. And say I want to change Pennsylvania to something like cheesesteak land. I can go ahead and use a script that's already here or develop my own script. You should look at licensing to see what you're allowed to use. But with this one, what I can do is I can go ahead and copy one of these examples here, and above it, I'm going to place that example. And the examples currently, they don't work because there's two dashes here, which means it's commented out. So I want to change the word commit to Pennsylvania, which is sometimes hard to spell, unless you're from there and you're used to spelling it. And I'm going to change it to cheesesteak land. So this is the one that I want to change, and this is what I want to change it to. I'm going to go ahead and save. So I've gone ahead and saved there. And then if I refresh my page, you can see Pennsylvania is now cheesesteak land. So it's a fun script. You can have fun with it, or you can use it for something more serious like work related. And that's about it. Pretty easy.